What's going on, guys? Prankster Gangster here, and welcome back to another Minecraft video. So today we're going to blow up a construction site, which is going to be cool. I managed to blow this up because I saw Pink Sheep's video that he likes burning the city. Well, I'm going to explode the city bit by bit, and it will be blown up all to pieces. So yeah, let's get this started. So we're just gonna light this creeper up and let's see what happens. Now that was a damage to the city, and that is no construction site. No one could build buildings, no one could build the ugly mess, no one could build the ugly black sheep, and yeah. Thanks for watching this video, hope you enjoy it. Please leave a like if you enjoy, and also subscribe to channel Pink Sheep. Pink Sheep is the best and the top prankster gangster. Bye!